How to compute the similarity between two text documents. I am looking at working on an NLP project, in any programming language, though Python will be my preference. I want to take two documents and determine how similar they are.
The common way of doing this is to transform the documents into TF-IDF vectors and then compute the cosine similarity between them. Any textbook on information retrieval, IR, covers this. See especially Introduction to Information Retrieval, which is free and available online. Computing pairwise similarities. TF-IDF, and similar text transformations, are implemented in the Python packages gensim and scikit-learn. In the latter package, computing cosine similarities is as easy as or, if the documents are plain strings. Though gensim may have more options for this kind of task. See also this question. Disclaimer, I was involved in the scikit-learn TF-IDF implementation. Interpreting the results. From above, pairwise underscore similarity is a SciPy sparse matrix that is square in shape, with the number of rows and columns equal to the number of documents in the corpus. You can convert the sparse array to a NumPy array via .array or .a. Let's say we want to find the document most similar to the final document. The scikit-learn docs are orange and blue. This document has index 4 in corpus. You can find the index of the most similar document by taking the argmax of that row, but first you'll need to mask the ones, which represent the similarity of each document to itself. You can do the latter through np.fill_diagonal, and the former through np.nanargmax. Note, the purpose of using a sparse matrix is to save a substantial amount of space for a large corpus and vocabulary. Instead of converting to a NumPy array, you could do
identical to at Larsman, but with some preprocessing.
It's an old question, but I found this can be done easily with spaCy. Once the document is read, a simple API similarity can be used to find the cosine similarity between the document vectors. Start by installing the package and downloading the model. Then use like so.
If you are looking for something very accurate, you need to use some better tool than TF-IDF. Universal Sentence Encoder is one of the most accurate ones to find the similarity between any two pieces of text. Google provided pre-trained models that you can use for your own application without a need to train from scratch anything. First, you have to install TensorFlow in TensorFlow Hub. The code below lets you convert any text to a fixed-length vector representation, and then you can use the dot product to find out the similarity between them. and the code for plotting. The result would be, as you can see, the most similarity is between texts with themselves and then with their close texts and meaning. Important, the first time you run the code it will be slow because it needs to download the model. If you want to prevent it from downloading the model again and use the local model, you have to create a folder for cache and add it to the environment variable, and then after the first time running use that path. More information, this URL.
Generally, a cosine similarity between two documents is used as a similarity measure of documents. In Java, you can use leucine, if your collection is pretty large, or linkpipe to do this. The basic concept would be to count the terms in every document and calculate the dot product of the term vectors. The libraries do provide several improvements over this general approach, for example using inverse document frequencies and calculating TF-IDF vectors. If you are looking to do something complex, linkpipe also provides methods to calculate also similarity between documents, which gives better results than cosine similarity. For Python, you can use NLTK.
이것이 정말 비슷한 사건은